There's a common myth that a pressure cooker destroys more nutrients than a regular vessel. It does not. Here's how it works. 1. Starch in rice or dal starts cooking at around 70 Celsius. 2. After that, the higher the temperature, the faster the cooking up to a point. 3. But as long as there is water in the cooking vessel, the temperature stays below 100 Celsius till all the water is evaporated or absorbed. So a pressure cooker simply uses a sealed lid. So water boils, turns into steam, but cannot escape the vessel. So pressure builds up, and that prevents further water from turning into steam. Effectively, inside a cooker, water stays liquid at temperatures above 100 Celsius. And that cooks your food way faster. That's all. All cooking destroys some nutrients, but also makes other nutrients available. You can't digest raw dal. Secondly, carbs, protein and fat do not get destroyed by cooking at these temperatures. Only water-soluble vitamins B and C and some antioxidants are partially lost under any kind of heat. That's why our diet should include both cooked food and raw food, like salads and fruits. Pressure cooking does not do any better or worse than open vessel cooking in this regard. But it saves you cooking fuel and time. Always be skeptical when someone concocts fears about a convenience we've been using for the last 100 years. Usually people asking you to do manual labor tend to have assistants.